Welcome everyone. You're watching Varsity TV. I'm your host Shivali. You're watching lecture series in contemporary zoology, which is inaugurated by Dr. Mewar Singh, who is an primatologist, ecologist, and conservation biologist. Come, let's take a look.
On January 30th at Vignan Bhavan Auditorium was held a program which consisted of 6 sessions performed by different professors from various organizations. The main objective of the program was to acquaint students with contemporary zoology through different topics.
Autumn Bhakti today. I want something. 25. Yeah, one. Each one.
Dr. P. A. Mahesh, who spoke about immunopathobiology of asthma, is here to give more information about the session.
In the country is a lot of factors that could be prevented. One of the most important of those factors is the diet. A high fiber diet, less of junk food. People these days eat a lot of burgers, pizzas and processed foods, compared to earlier consumption of a lot of naturally fermented foods. If you look at the curds or yogurt, if you look at idli, dosa, so these are naturally fermented foods. And though we don't have any enzyme to digest the fiber, bacteria in our gastrointestinal system does. And when they digest the fiber, they produce a lot of important mediators that will regulate the immune system and protects against diseases such as asthma.
Once this is aspirated, then thereafter the embryologist job starts. So if you can see in this picture, the ultrasound lab, which is very well controlled, air handling unit, air quality is very well controlled, it should be there, and VOCs, volatile organic component, should not be there, because you will have to make sure that you are working in the womb, because whatever the environment, microenvironment, these gametes are taking place in the uterine, same environment you will have to supposed to provide. That's how incubators are designed.
In order to get more information regarding the sessions, we have a bite from Dr. Srinivas, who presented the topic about intro fertilization and overview.
Glad to be here. Dr. Malini is conducting the symposium webinar over here, where I am presenting the topic about IVF and overview. IVF is known to be a social stigma if the female is not delivering the baby.
We have the bite of Natasha Sirarajappa, who performed the session about the role of grasslands in wildlife management.
Related to the medical process in the medical field as well as in the other aspects of the zoology. So I have been requested by Dr. Malini to take a session. I was very happy to be here, and it's a good interaction platform, I guess. And students should be immensely benefited through such workshop, and even this will go a long way in upgrading their career also. I wish all of them good luck in the career and good luck for the workshop. Thank you.
Students are really impressed with the flow of the program. Here we have participants from different countries who are giving their opinion about the session.
My name is Theon Samje. I'm doing MSc Genetics first year in University of Mysore, and I'm from Tibet, but I'm born and brought up here in India. And I attended this program today, and I really appreciate this program because in this program I get to learn about different fields, like in medical, asthma is there, embryology is there, and even the wildlife, about the wildlife. And I think it's very useful for us to learn different things being a science student. So I really enjoyed the program, and I would like to thank the organizer for organizing this event for students like us.
I am representing the students of Zoology Department. Today is the Fest of the Knowledge. We are organizing a lecture series on contemporary zoology. When it comes to the zoology, we study the various aspects regarding to the human and animal life. Today, we have the opportunity to learn about the modern and latest techniques which are developed in the field of the zoology, such as the health and how the modern lifestyle is implementing and influencing the health of humans. We also got an opportunity to learn about the immunopathology, to learn about the wildlife and what are the factors which are affecting the wildlife and what is significant to protect the wildlife.
There were 6 sessions held in total by Dr. B.S. Keshav, Dr. Srinivas, Dr. B.A. Mahesh, Sri Natesha Sirabai Jappa, Dr. Prakash Padakanaya, Dr. Shailaja M. Dharmesh. These sessions, they covered the topics genetics in neurological diseases, in vitro fertilization, immunopathobiology of asthma, role of grasslands in wildlife management, developmental dyslexia, current trends in diet and cancer. Hope you have a great day ahead. This is your host Shrivali signing off with camera person Prajwal PS. You're watching Varsity TV. Thank you.